Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 69 Nova. Yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. It is gorgeous, guys, man. The paint is beautiful. The restoration on it is over the top, man. Look at those Redline tires. She is looking sweet with those beautiful wheels. The body lines are looking great. Look at the reflections in the paint. That tells you that the body man on this car did one beautiful job. The stainless, the chrome, everything looking amazing on this car. Let's pop open the door here. I love the wood steering wheel, bucket seats, manual shifter in there, Hurst, love it. Great looking dash pad, brand new carpeting, all the upholstery on the seats is looking great. We got seat belts in the rear. Looks like we got 3 seat belts back there. Package tray looking good, headliner looking good, dome light looking good, shoulder belts are there. The dash pad itself's in good shape. We've got 3-pack of gauges there. Just gorgeous. And I always look at these doors here. Take a look at those door lips. You can see that they had the latch out when they did the restoration. They used new hardware, new rubber. Just a beauty. All the stainless back here is looking sweet. We do have one touch up right here. Body lines here looking good. You can see the chrome on the rear bumper also looks like it's brand new. Let's see, I only got one choice on the key, so that should be good. Wow, look at that trunk. That is absolutely beautiful in there. Gorgeous. I always check up in here. Look at the details. Look how nice and clean everything is. All the lips on the deck lid, the bottom side of the deck lid. You can see that the latch was out when they did the restoration. All the chrome and the stainless looking sweet. Always look at the details. Look at all this. The lenses look good. All the trims looking sweet. When you look down the side, looking beautiful. I'll tell you what, there's not a lot of these Novas out there, guys. One of our favorite cars here at Vanguard. These are hard to find. These cars got driven. A lot of 18-year-old boys had these as their daily drivers back in high school, so they are hard to find. We're always after these babies. We're buying anywhere between 40 and 50 new cars every month. We've always got new inventory coming in. So watch us on Facebook, our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, Instagram, we're always posting new stuff. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You can call him anytime. And we do something really special here at Vanguard. The first thing that we do when we get a car in here is we put it up on the lift and inspect it so Tom can answer all your questions. And I've been in the business for about 35 years, and I'm using that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. All right, 69 Nova time. 4-speed and duals. Listen to that exhaust, man. I'll tell you what, that's my best sound ever. Sounding amazing. Who needs a radio? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Nova anywhere in the world. you just call us, 248-974-9513. Tom will pick up. If you don't get a hold of him, he will call you back. Listen to this baby. Now I'm just barely touching the accelerator too. Thing's running great. Now we can help you with financing, and the bankers and Tom can do all the paperwork for you. Or if you'd like, go to our website, fill out that paperwork on our website at VanguardMotorsales.com. Now look down here on the dash, we got a tack mounted to the steering wheel. Speedo's working there, and then down underneath the dash, we have voltage, oil pressure, and water temp down there. Does look like it's got an aftermarket radio in it. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Now we are close to the airport, so if you want to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We don't get a lot of customers coming to the shop, so please, if you've got the time and the means, come on out. Or if you want to send an inspector, we will treat the inspector just like we treat you. And we are about to do something that very few people do to every one of their vehicles. We're going to put this baby up in the air and we're going to show you the bottom side. We are proud of the bottom side of every one of our cars, and we're going to show you the foundation. Listen to that. Man. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we've got a separate storage unit about a mile and a half from here. Great big building where most of the cars are. All right, we're underneath this Nova, and this may be the nicest Nova I ever been under. Look at those floors. Man, I tell you what, the paint on those floors is beautiful. The tank is new. The spring shackles are new. The springs themselves look new. The exhaust looks new. 12-bolt is all painted up, looking good. 373 gears in there, and it is a Posi. Brake lines are new. Bushings there look new. Slapper bars, beautiful. All adjusted up nice and tight. When you put the power to them babies are gonna tighten up and they're gonna put the traction to the road. All the pinch welds look good. Frame is nice and tight, looking good. We got a brand new fuel line. We got brand new parking brake cables here. Drive shafts all painted up. U-joint looks like it's new. Mufflers look new. Everything under here is new. It's even got brand new frame ties on it. I mean, it's a beauty under here, guys. Pinch weld looks amazing. Brake line, also brand new. M20 trans. Now the trans is date code correct, or it's very, very close to the correct timing. Bell housing, it also looks correct. All the clutch linkage, it looks like it's date code correct and all correct, you know, similar to what would have been on when it was built. Now the headers, obviously aftermarket, and they're coated. The frame is beautifully painted up here. It is just, I mean, the whole car is beautiful. All the steering gear up here looks like it's been painted with bare metal paint. So it looks like it's bare metal, but it's paint, so it won't rust. The calipers up front here, they also look like they've been painted with the bare metal paint. Upper and lower ball joints look like they're new. I forgot to look at the brakes in the back. We do have drum brakes in the back. Now our guys pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Brake line side to side looks like it's new. Lower control arms all painted up, looking good. Bushings look like they've been replaced recently. Front frame horns, straight as an arrow. Again, something I look at on every car. Sway bar and the sway bar bushings look like they're new. Core support, always look at the core support on every one of these cars. Again, core support carries a lot of trash and moisture and everything, so it's one of the first things to go on one of these cars. Chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. The finish on the inner wheel well looks beautiful. The paint right down to the bottom edge looks beautiful. The paint on the wheel looks beautiful. The lug nuts, the center caps, the trim rings, the Redline tires. Now these are, let me see, let me look around here. These do look like bias ply tires. We got 7014s here. They're getting pretty tricky on us these days. These guys are making bias ply tires and radials, but these do not look like those. They normally say radial on them, so these are regular bias ply tires. You can see that the finish on the paint is beautiful. If I can get a finger in anywhere, I always feel around on the back sides of these front fenders to check make sure there's no patchwork or anything. This fender feels nice and smooth. Look at the bottom side of that rocker. Look at the pinch weld. Look at the finish on these floorboards. I mean, I tell you what, the bottom side of this car is just as nice as the top side of the car. One thing you really want to check out, I tell you what, when you see me at a car show, normally you see me on my hands and knees looking at the bottom sides of the cars. Out back here, again, same size tires. We got 7014s back here too. Again, the finish on the wheel, trim rings, center caps, everything looks brand new. Look at that, paint work right down to the bottom edge, looking sweet. Let's get under the hood and see what's making the horsepower. All right, guys, under the hood, we got 396 power. Now, this is a 65 block. It's got a 750 Holly sitting on top of that Edelbrock intake. Now, that is an aluminum intake. You can see the jet-coated headers, the chrome valve covers. It's got an HEI distributor. It does look like it's a billet distributor. We've got power brakes. Now, it does not have power steering. Got to have that horsepower going to them back tires. Got strong arm steering on this baby. We got upper control arms are all painted up, water pumps all painted up. We got the big pulley here, the deep groove pulley for high RPM. We got Delco battery. It's a fakey top, make it look like one of those old-fashioned batteries, but it is a maintenance-free battery. We got a battery shutoff. You see the finish on the fenders right down into the engine compartment. Look at the finish on the firewall also, and all the wiring. You can see the wiring harness is brand new. I mean, this is an amazing piece right here. Look at the finish on the bottom side of the hood. They even put the fiberglass in the hood. Even the core support up here, all this is all brand new. The fan shroud, everything looking sweet. All the brake lines are brand new. I mean, it's an amazing piece, guys. Like I've said about 14 times, I love this Nova. Most of these cars got all beat up and torn up by teenagers. Not this one. This one was saved and restored. Guys, call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.